Enable your students to read and learn independently with SuperNova Connect and Learn, a complete and flexible technology kit for students with low vision. The Connect and Learn kit is available as a Windows tablet with a built-in camera or a laptop with an external camera. The Connect and Learn package includes a tablet with a magnetic charger, a wireless keyboard and mouse, and a fold-away stand to help you complete your schoolwork. Students can use the power of SuperNova with Windows applications to complete their work at school or at home.
It enabled me to go further with my learning than I was able to before.
Read printed handouts with magnification and custom color schemes. Connect and Learn also enables students to wirelessly connect to the interactive whiteboard, customize the view, and sit anywhere in class. Connect and Learn also includes EasyReader Premium, providing a direct connection to accessible education collections, including Bookshare and RNIB Bookshare. EasyReader Premium also integrates seamlessly with Google Classroom and Microsoft Education, providing students with access to teacher-assigned documents and worksheets. Discover how Connect and Learn can empower your students to learn independently at school and home.